In this video, I will show you how to remove the clock from the lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. This option can be useful if you want a cleaner screen look or simply don't like the clock display on the lock screen. If you find this content helpful, make sure to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. So here's how to do it. First, open the settings on your phone. Then scroll down, and when you find the Wallpapers and Style option, tap on it. Once you open the Wallpaper and Style settings page, you will see two screens. On the left side is the lock screen, and on the right side is the home screen. To remove the clock, you need to tap on the lock screen. After you've done that, now tap on the clock, and this will open a menu with customization options. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see a square that says No Clock. Tap on it, and then tap the Done option in the top right corner to save the changes. This way, you will remove the clock from your phone's lock screen. And that's all for this video. See you very soon.